Good evening, everyone. This is the Brief Business Opportunity by the True Organics Juice. So, how to become a member? You must obtain a link from the person who introduced you to the business opportunity. You get a link from the person who told you about the business presentation. You register your account and then you become a member. So after becoming a member, now you have to activate your account to show that you are serious about this opportunity. You need to activate your account. Remember, joining is free. You don't pay anything for registering. For becoming a member, you don't pay anything. Now, you only buy stock for you to activate your membership, for you to unlock the benefits of the company. Now you have to activate your account. How do I activate my account? You need to buy a minimum stock of 600 Rand or more. It's up to you, but the company requires only the minimum of 600 Rand for them to recognize you as their member. So we have a variety of packages where you can choose from. You can choose from buying um, chlorophyll juice, chlorophyll drops, beauty products. You can choose. Choice is yours. Like we have many packages. We have like 24 bottles of chlorophyll juice. We have 12 bottles of drops. We have beauty products, which is tissue oil. We have soap. We have a combo of soap and tissue oil, which is 6 each. So, um, and then it's up to you to what do you want to buy from the company, and then you will automatically be active. And your link, now you can share the link to the people. Now you can link people to the company. You can register. Now you can build your team. If your membership is active, now you bought your first stock, which means you have also unlocked your link. Now you can register people under you. Now let's go to the compensation plan. Now that you know how to join, you know what to do for you to be active and to be recognized by the company that you are one of their franchise. Now, how do I make money in True Organics? So we have retail profits. We make money by buying the products from the company and then selling them to people. Retail profits. By selling, we make more than 150%. And then we also have commissions. Commissions is the money you get when you refer people to the company, and then the company pays you for referring people, which in this case is 10%, three levels deep, level one, level two, level three. It's 10% per each level and per each purchase. So if you have 10 people buying uh, their minimum stock, you get 10% times 10 for your level one. If level two has 20 people, you get 10% times 20 people until level three. And then we also have a repurchase. If those people activated their accounts and then they come back and buy again, maybe they sold all the stock and then they choose to come back, you will also get 10% again from the repurchases. They activated, remember, they activated their accounts, they sold the stock, then excuse me, they come back and buy again. That's a repurchase. The company pays you again 10%, three levels deep. And then we also have a once off level completion bonus. When you complete a level, when you're being promoted to the next stage, you get a bonus. You got your commission, you get a bonus on top of your commissions. And then we also have incentives. Our compensation plan has incentives, car incentives, tuition fees, house, traveling incentives, and we also have promotions. That's our marketing plan. Um, so the next question will be, and now, how do I obtain all these benefits, like these incentives, these bonuses? How do I get them? Now we have like seven We have 7 stages, levels in True Organics. We have the first one, which is progress zone. So what is needed for me to qualify for or to be named program zone? You need to be active. You need to buy a minimum stock of 600 Rand, that is 100 PVs. And then you also need to have 2 people under you, which are active with a minimum of 100 PVs each. Okay. And then a total of 1000 PVs is required from you as a team. Then you will get 500 Rand as a bonus, and then you will be promoted to the Dream Achiever Zone stage. When you get to Dream Achiever Zone stage, you bend down, you look down to your downlines, you help them, you teach them what you did. They must duplicate what you did. So you remember, you activated your account, you help 2 people to activate their accounts, and then you as a team made 1000 PVs. Same thing applies here. You must be active with 100 points, of course, and then you must have at least 5 people which are active, which bought stock or who activated with a minimum of 600 Rand. Ne? Out of those 5 people, you need at least 2 of them to be progress zone, which means they must each have 1000 points, and then they must also obtain their 500 Rand bonus. That makes you a the Dream Achiever Zone. So after that, company pays you a bonus of 2000 Rand for Dream Achiever. And then you are promoted to Goal Getter. In Goal Getter, same thing applies. You bend down, you pull your downlines, you help them, you show them how you did it. You show them how you got to Dream Achiever. When they come to Dream Achiever, which means you have done the job that the company required you to do. You have done the task. You have helped your uh, people to obtain their Dream Achiever. Okay, for Goal Getter, you need to have at least 10 people which are active, people who bought a stock minimum 600 Rand. And then you must also be active, which means you must also buy stock with a minimum of 600 Rand or more. And then you also need 2 people to complete Dream Achiever stage or to reach Dream Achiever stage. You also need 12,000 PVs in total as a team. You will get 5,000 Rand bonus on top of your commission, and then you'll be promoted to Success Zone. In Success Zone, you need to be active again with 100 PVs, of course, and then you must have at least 15 active people. They must be direct under you. They must be active, which means they bought a minimum stock of 600 Rand each. And then you must also have 3 Goal Getter Zone people. And I remember I said you bend down, you teach them to duplicate, to copy what you did. So, which means you need to assist or to help 3 people to get to Goal Getter Zone, and then have total of 25,000 PVs as a team. And then you will get a 10,000 rands once of bonus, and then you move to achievement zone. In achievement zone, you need to activate your account, of course, with a 600 Rand minimum, and then you need to have 20 direct members which are active. They must be active. 20 active members who bought stock with a minimum of 600 Rand, and then out of those people, at least 3 of them, they must reach Success Zone, and then have a total of 65,000 point volumes as a team. Then you will get 20,000 Rand as a bonus. It's a once off bonus. Then you move to milestone. In milestone, you will need to be active. Always, you must be active with a minimum at least of 100 points. You must have 25 directly sponsored people that are registered by you, 25 active which means they also bought stock with a minimum of 600 Rand. Out of those 25 people, at least three of them must be success zone, and then two of them, they must be achievement zone, and have a total of 180,000 as a team, point volumes as a team. And then you will get 50,000 rand bonus once off. And then we move to the last stage of the compensation plan, which is a president zone. For president zone, you must be active with a minimum of 100 PVs, which means you must buy stock with a minimum of 600 Rand or more. You must have 30 people. You must have 30 active people, which means they must also buy stock with a minimum of 600 Rand, which is equivalent to 100 PVs. And then out of 30, you need 5 direct achievement zone members. You also need 2 milestone. They must be direct under you. Here, you need 5 achievement zone members, and then 2 must be milestone. And then you must have a total of 400,000 point volumes as a team, and then you will get a whooping once of 100,000 bonus. Guy, let me tell you something. If you see a bonus says 100,000, it means you are already making maybe a million in commissions. Always commissions are huge. They are huge. Commissions are huge always. And then it doesn't end there. Then we move to the incentives. Well, for incentives, you need to qualify. You need to work. You need to work hard and then qualify for the incentives. Otherwise, I will share with the incentives when the time goes on. For now, let's stop here for the presentation. Thank you for your time. Remember, you must always go back to the person who shared the opportunity with you and obtain a link and then register. Thank you.